Forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, sponsored by AC Designs.
While portions of South Florida saw flooding rains earlier this afternoon and evening, only a few isolated showers and heavy downpours here across the First Coast, and this is all from a very broad area of low pressure just to the southwest of the Tampa Bay area. We're not expecting this to develop, only about a 10% chance of development as this system crosses over the Floridian Peninsula into the Atlantic Ocean and eventually will then move off to our northeast. So just an area that the National Hurricane Center is watching, but certainly are not concerned of this developing into any sort of tropical system or storm or anything of that matter. But it is still going to bring plenty of rain and thunderstorm chances and lots of humidity here over the next couple of days. But the main reason we're not expecting this to actually turn up into anything, you look off to the western Gulf, seeing a lot of dry air just getting pulled right into this system. You combine that with wind shear aloft in the atmosphere, not just really going to allow any kind of circulation or vertical development in a potential tropical storm or hurricane. So some good news on that front, but it is going to bring a lot of rain, anywhere from 10 to even 12 inches of rain from Tampa down to the Fort Myers, Key West, Miami area. Now you zoom in a little bit closer to the First Coast, we're certainly not going to see nearly that much. I think our southeast Georgia counties could see anywhere from about a quarter to a half inch of rain over the next 7 days. For most of our northeast Florida counties, we're going to be looking closer to maybe an inch with some locally higher amounts depending on where some of those heavier downpours and thunderstorms do roll in. But widespread rain, only again going to be about an inch. So tomorrow, starting you off in the morning, mid 70s, quickly warming then into the mid 80s by lunchtime, upper 80s by highs for your highs tomorrow afternoon. Again, there will be some isolated thunderstorm chances, which we'll touch on here in just a second. But again, the humidity is going to be on the rise. Dew points, mid 70s. It's going to be that air that you can wear just like a jacket out there. So because of that, even though our temperatures are in the upper 80s, it's still going to feel stifling out there. Upper 90 real field temperature. So just keep that in mind if you are out and about. But easterly onshore winds here, so you're going to start closer to the I-95 corridor and the coastline right around lunchtime. We'll be very isolated. We'll see more scattered showers and storms then develop as they all slide further and further westward by the late afternoon and into the early evening hours. Similar story then for Thursday as well. Coastal showers slowly and gradually push into our inland counties, and that will also continue into your Friday. So Thursday, Wednesday, pretty similar stories. Upper 80s, coastal showers, they spread inland. Friday, 1 or 2 isolated showers here or there, but overall still going to be a pretty warm, muggy day. Temperature's going to be in the low 90s. And then as we kind of look ahead to the weekend, we do dry out over Jacksonville and much of the First Coast. Drier air is in place here, but a surge of more tropical moisture up into the Gulf of Mexico, much further west of us. It's just another area that we'll keep an eye on. And then your Father's Day weekend, again, I mentioned it, drier air here, but also some warmer temperatures back into the low 90s for dads there on Sunday.
Jags fans.